Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host Mohar, and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of us. The inspirational video I bought for you today is about a police constable in Mumbai who, at his own expenses, is ferrying patients to the hospital in a Omni van. He is standing up and making a difference in these turbulent pandemic times. But before we go on to that, let me share with you some facts about your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I started it with the sole vision of inspiring the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles such as respect, diversity, kindness, honesty, integrity, hard work. These are eternal human principles etched in stone which do not change over time and place. Living by these eternal human principles is the only way to sustain success in life. Friends, it's true that by ignoring these eternal human principles, you can achieve success much faster in your life. However, that's like a bubble, short lived and sure to burst at any point of time. If you want eternal joy, happiness, success in your life, you have to live by these human principles. Towards this, to inspire you, we share with you on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, the stories of mankind at its very best. In addition, we have also got a group on Facebook which has about 853 members and a WhatsApp group which has about 210 members where we share daily inspiration with you. I request all those of you who have come on to the first time to the channel or have not yet subscribed to this channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, kindly do so. Also like the videos so that we are motivated to share more such videos with you, and share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them also to like and share these videos and subscribe to the channel so that we are able to influence a larger group to live by these eternal human principles. Coming back to our inspirational Indian, he is a Mumbai police constable, Tejesh Sonawane, who has transformed himself into a COVID warrior during these turbulent times. He is making a difference all by himself. He is helping patients reach hospitals without charging anything for the services. He is bearing the cost of doing so out of his own meager salary. He says, last year was very bad. Many died. Several others are continuing to suffer. The plight moved him. He decided to ask his friends for support for their old second-hand vehicles and convert one such vehicle into an ambulance. His friend helped him with a Omni van, Maruti Omni van, and he converted it into an ambulance. This ambulance is well sanitized thoroughly and has been made into partitions. A partition for COVID patients, a partition for non-COVID patients, and a partition for pregnant women, so that he can move patients to the hospital quickly and safely. He has seen many old, feeble, and weary patients pass out on the pavement, and this keeps inspiring him to continuously serve people who need help during this critical COVID 19 times. His ambulance, on which he is moving patients, still lacks an oxygen cylinder and a stretcher, but he is working towards ensuring that he gets the necessary resources to enable his ambulance to be fully equipped. Thanks to the support from the senior police officials, he is also able to support patients who need help during on duty hours. He rushes whenever he gets a call to the patient and helps move them to the nearest hospital. He has circulated his mobile number across all the residents of Cuff Parade in Mumbai where he is on duty. His first patient was a pregnant lady, and to date he has moved over 100 patients to the hospital. It's not that this is something new he is doing. He has a service attitude from the very beginning. Thanks to his positive attitude and his motivation and will to make a difference to people, he was given the Jeevan Raksha Padak by the central government in 2015 and the DG Medal for bravery in 2017. It speaks volumes about his attitude and his willingness to serve people. During these pandemic times, he was very worried that he being a frontline worker, he would also infect his family if he caught COVID. So he sent his two daughters away to Nandubur village from where he came in 2007 to join the police force. He also requested his wife to go away to his village and be safe, but his wife proved to be a strong lady and his backbone. She refused to leave, and she said that she will stay back and support him in his endeavors to make a difference. She has proved to be his backbone in these difficult times, supporting him constantly when he needs to move out at late hours to help ferry a patient to the hospital. He also credits the police department for the support they have given him, giving him permission to help patients during the duty hours, the parking support which has been given to him at the police station so that he can park the ambulance. He was also given 5,000 rupees by the police department to sustain his efforts, and recently has been given a PPE kits by the police department so that he can continue to support patients in these difficult times. Despite all the support from the police department and other well-meaning citizens, he is forced to spend out of pocket still for petrol for the Omni van and maintenance of the vehicle. Also the sanitization and fumigation of the vehicle, the chemicals he needs to spend out of pocket on. A totally inspirational police constable who is going above and beyond the call of duty to help people in this difficult time. Tejesh, a police constable at the Cuff Parade police station in Mumbai. Friends, not all of us, because of multiple constraints, can be like Tejesh and help multiple other people during these difficult times. However, I am a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. That means those of us who are relatively unaffected by this infamous COVID-19 virus need to stand up, be counted, and make a difference to one person in our community. That's all I'm asking of you. Scan your neighborhood. Check out who has been affected either financially or medically by this infamous COVID-19 virus. Be a COVID warrior. Stand up, make a difference to that one person in your community. The ripples of your kindness will spread far and wide. You don't know. A single act of kindness can make a major difference to someone who receives it. Trust me, my friends, your random act of kindness, of making a difference to one person in your community, will go a long way in mankind in defeating this infamous COVID 19 virus. It requires us in these difficult times to stand up and make a difference in our own small way, but the difference it will make will be huge. I'm sure all of you like these inspirational videos and stories which I bring for you on a regular basis on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Like I shared with you earlier, too, our mission and vision is to make a difference and encourage the present and future generations to live by the eternal human principles. I request you once again to not only like the videos to help keep us motivated, but also subscribe to the channel and share these videos with your friends and family so that they too like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and join our mission of making a difference and encouraging people to live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again, I request you once again, please become a COVID warrior, make a difference to one in your neighborhood, and most of all, stay safe. Good luck, all the best. Till we meet again with another very inspirational video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant.